To reduce the time to rescue missing persons, we designed a proof-of-concept search and rescue drone. To operate the drone, an area needs to be selected on the custom app. After pressing start, the drone will start the automated search. First, it will take off and fly to the selected area. When arrived at the area, it will do a search pattern while a thermal camera is looking for body temperature. After the pattern is finished and there is no person detected, it will return to its starting position, land, and then is ready to go again. If the thermal camera does detect body temperature, the drone will drop down and look with a RGB camera to verify it is a person and not just an animal. If it did not find a person, it will just go back and continue its search. But if the camera verifies that it is indeed a person, it will land and send coordinates to the app so the rescue workers can rescue the person.